Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make frozen lobster full guide. Thaw frozen lobster in the refrigerator overnight, keeping it sealed and on a tray to catch juices. Pat the lobster dry before cooking to prevent splatter. Use a thermometer to ensure internal temperature reaches a safe level. Rinse hands and surfaces after handling shellfish. Store leftovers promptly in the fridge to preserve flavor and safety. Begin thawing in the fridge for the best texture and safety, ideally overnight. For a quicker method, place the sealed lobster in cold water and refresh every 30 minutes until pliable. Avoid warm water or room temperature, as those encourage bacteria. Once thawed, pat dry and proceed to your preferred cooking method. Always cook promptly after thawing to maintain quality and reduce food safety risks. Steam for tenderness by placing lobster in a steamer over boiling water, then time by weight for perfect doneness. Boil whole for an even cook and add aromatics to the water for subtle flavor. For a different texture, split and grill halves shell side down for smoky, crisp edges and brushed butter. Each method benefits from a final brush of butter and a squeeze of lemon to lift richness and balance the sweetness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.